Today is your big race, Lily.
I want to do my very best today.
You trained very hard for this race.
Maybe I can win today.
Winning is nice, but your heart matters more.
I know, Mom. I remember that.
Eat well before the race begins.
I need strong legs today.
And a calm mind, too, my runner.
I am ready for school now.
Hi, Lily. Good morning. Hi, Mia. Good morning.
Your shoes look so fast today. Then they must run fast too. My shoes are the fastest here. They are very bright and shiny. Simple shoes cannot beat style. The race is about running, not style. We will see about that very soon.
Race day is here, everyone. Run with effort and respect today.
I will, Coach. Good luck, Lily. You can do it. You will need luck. I have skill.
Warm up first.
I feel good today.
You look ready for the race.
Wait, who is that sitting there? Who is that old woman?
I am sorry. I just need to rest.
Are you okay, ma'am?
My shoes broke on the road. But I still have to walk.
Oh no, this is bad. Lily, your race starts very soon. She cannot walk like this.
No, child. You need those shoes.
You need them more right now. Please take them. I want to help.
Why would you do this for me?
Because you are hurting, and I can help. But the race starts soon, Lily. Then I will run without them.
You have a very good heart.
Can you stand now with our help?
Yes. Thank you, both of you.
Walk slowly on that side where it is safer.
May kindness come back to you.
Coach Ben will be shocked by this.
Lily, where are your shoes?
I gave them to someone who needed them. You did what with your race shoes? You cannot race like that barefoot. I still want to run today.
Your feet may get hurt badly.
She helped a barefoot old woman. Yes, Coach. It is true.
If you run, Be very careful.
Thank you, Coach.
You are really doing this barefoot?
Yes. I still want to finish. Be careful, Lily.
Ready! Go!
I am winning this race. Keep going. Just keep going. Are you okay, Lily? A little pain is okay. Please be safe, Lily. She is still running behind me. Ow. That hurt. You should stop now. I want to finish this race.
Emma finishes first.
You finished, Lily.
I lost the race today.
Maybe not the most important one.
Lily, let me see your feet now.
They hurt, but I am okay.
Why did you really give away your shoes?
Because someone needed them more. I only thought about winning.
Lily, someone is here for you.
I had to thank you properly.
She told us what you did for her.
I knew kindness mattered most.
These belong to you, dear.
I won the race, but you did something bigger. You ran well too, Emma. I want you to have this ribbon. But you won the race.
Emma keeps her ribbon. But today, Lily wins the kindness medal. This is for courage and kindness.
I lost the race, but kindness gave me something greater.